I just want to let you know, if your growing system doesn't produce as much food as I'm going to show you, that was grown in only 10 feet, well then you need to listen real closely. It's called torpedo pot. What we do is that we make self-growing planters. I went to my grower. I brought 80 plants for $14. 80 plants. I stuck them in my torpedo pots. And they grew my food. Yeah, this little planter right here. See all of them behind me? They're growing my food. All I did was throw my seeds and my plants in the planter. I supplement it once a week or once every 10 days, and I'm guaranteed to have food for the rest of my life. Yeah, not just 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Our torpedo pots have been running now for 8 to 10 years. Once you buy your torpedo pot, you'll have food for the rest of your life. Now, the problem that you're going to have is that, see, you're having problems growing your food. Here it is cold. It's done. You're not growing anything. It's over, okay? Dude, I'm still harvesting, growing, and I'm still enjoying my food. I get to have my food when I want to, where I want to, and how I want to. Matter of fact, I just cooked me down some beautiful cabbage, green cabbage. That's what this is. And so what I've got to do now is find out how to store this food. You have to admit, it is a lot of food. And so even I have to get creative. So let's see what we can do here. So when you're growing food with torpedo pot, you get a lot of food. And so you have to be able to store it. Does that make sense? Storing food is important because how you store it will determine how long it lasts, correct? And so you want to be able to have a lot of it so you can store for the families that you have, because no growing system can produce a lot of food that your family can use in a small space and in an immediate period of time. The only system that can do that is torpedo pot. We can produce hundreds, if not thousands of pounds of food to feed cities and large amounts of people all over the world. We grow food. We grow lots of it. So in 10 feet, we can grow 30 pounds of cabbage in only 10 feet. So torpedo pot is a self-growing gardening system that grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. All you do is stick your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it grows everything for you. You'll never have to worry about food again in your life because it grows everything for you. Are you listening? We brought 40 plants for $14. We put them in 10 feet of space in the torpedo pots, and they grew 30 pounds of food. And it's perfect, beautiful food. Moral of the story is you need to get a torpedo pot. I'm going to hose this down. I'm going to bag it. This is about the 5th washing I did with these these cabbage. The sister cabbage behind it, we grew about 10 pounds. We harvested 10 pounds. We did not cut them down. We only cut the leaves off for those because I love them. They're so good. Oh my God, the red cabbage is gorgeous. But the green cabbage is what's on show today here. And let me tell you something. The cabbage that you're getting in the supermarket doesn't compare to what's in my hand right here. You're not even getting anything close to this at all. The flavor, the texture, the color. I mean, it's like nothing I've ever seen before in my life. Look how beautiful this is. Look how green that is. And to slice them down into small pieces like this is priceless. Torpedo pot. You put your seeds and your plants in our planters and it grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again in your life. It grows everything for you. With that being said, I wanted to make sure you got a piece of this and saw all this in action because I have to store it all, and it's absolutely beautiful. I love my food. I want you to love your food too. You will love your food. I'll talk to you guys later. When you get your torpedo pot in your house, you call me.